Hi everyone. Today we're talking about how to get your products approved on impact marketplaces. Whether you're selling handmade crafts, digital services, or eco-friendly goods, these tips will help you succeed. Let's get started. Always research the marketplace rules. Every platform has its own guidelines. Read them carefully. Missing a small detail can lead to rejection. For example, some sites require specific certifications or labels. Save time by knowing what they need up front. Make your product description clear and honest. Use simple words to explain what your product does, who it's for, and why it matters. Avoid exaggerations. Phrases like 100% organic or handmade with care work better than vague claims like the best ever. High-quality photos are a must. Blurry or dark images won't attract buyers or marketplace moderators. Take pictures in natural light. Show your product from different angles. Include a photo of it being used. This builds trust and shows you're professional. Build a positive seller profile. Share your story. Explain why you care about your work. If you've won awards or have happy customers, mention it. Marketplaces want sellers who are reliable and passionate. Test your product before applying. Fix any issues with quality, packaging, or delivery times. Ask friends or family for feedback. If they notice problems, the marketplace will too. Communicate quickly and politely. If the platform asks for more information, respond fast. Use friendly language. Show you're easy to work with. This can speed up approval and build good relationships. Follow these steps, and you'll boost your chances of approval. Remember, it's about showing you're trustworthy and professional. If you enjoyed these tips, help us grow. Hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon. We share new advice every week to help you succeed. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.